Craig with Alliance Restoration and Consulting doing another hail inspection here down in Brandon, Florida. You can see again we have a R3 type roof, and you can see on the shingles where the hail has impacted the roof, and some mushy granules are stuck into the matting. See, there's a lot of hail hits here. Unfortunately, this home has zero ventilation, so you can see where the tabs are curling up from that, and it's really just diminishes the age of the roof. So what we'd do on this one is we would cut in a nice ridge vent all the way across here to address that. You can see here on this slope there's also more areas where the hail has hit the roof, and you can see it's just a random pattern all over the roof where the hail has impacted it, and that diminishes the shingle life. You can kind of see here how it's curling. No real other issues I see up here aside from this flashing. And you can see here just more hail damage there. The only other issue is this flashing where animals could get in. You can see this is a piece of metal that was underneath, and you can see there that's just a thin piece of metal that's up there for looks. What we'll do is we'll take flashing and come in here and come across and make it just one sealed unit, so that way nothing can get in.